Hi friends, today's lesson is from Module 3, Lesson 8. The other day I went to the grocery store, and as you can see I bought quite a bit of vegetables and fruits. And I was saying to Miles, how about I'll carry one bag and you carry the other one? And he said, okay. And I said, well, let me carry the bag that's going to be the heaviest, and you can carry the lighter one. So can you help us decide which one I should carry? Let's see. I'll put the cucumbers in the green bag. And let's go ahead and put the tomato in the green bag, the corn in the green bag, and the cauliflower in the green bag. And then we'll throw the pepper in the blue bag. Okay, friend, so which bag is heavier? Which one should I carry? Yeah, the green bag. I filled that full of food. The blue bag is definitely going to be lighter, so Miles can carry that. He's smaller. Hey, this is perfect. We just practiced what our learning goal is for today. We didn't even know it. Oh, I love math. Our learning goal for today says that we can compare two items and figure out which one's heavier and which one's lighter. So, just like these two bags, the green one was heavier than the blue one. Therefore, I should be carrying that one. So, today as we're comparing objects, we want to think about those words, heavier than and lighter than, so that we can compare them. Let's try it out. Okay, so let's see. I have a feather, that's pretty light, and a Lego block. Okay, which one do you think? Is that feather going to be lighter than the Lego block or heavier than the Lego block? What do you think? Yeah, it's lighter than. The feather is a lot lighter than. That means it's not as heavy as the Lego block. Good job. All right, let's look at two more items. What about a bed? Oh my goodness. And a pillow. Is that bed heavier than the pillow or lighter than the pillow? Oh, excellent. Yeah, the bed is heavier than the pillow. I wonder if size makes a difference. If everything that's always bigger is always going to be heavier. What do you think? Yeah, I mean, look at that bed is so big. So is it automatically going to be heavier than that little pillow? I don't know. Oh, wait, because look at this. What if I have a tennis ball and then I have, whoa, a balloon? Is that tennis ball going to be lighter than or heavier than that balloon? Yeah, it's heavier than the balloon. The reason why is even though that tennis ball is smaller, it is thicker, like it's a thicker ball than a balloon, which is really light and airy. That's why it floats. So I guess we can't say the rule of if it's bigger, it's going to be heavier. Because look at that balloon is much bigger. I guess we have to think about what it's made of too. Do you agree? Yes, and good point. And what is filled up with. Perfect. All right, what about this is a good one. A teddy bear and a real bear. Is that teddy bear going to be lighter than or heavier than that real bear? Ding, 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 ding. You're right, it's lighter than. A teddy bear is filled with a whole bunch of fluffy fluff. A real bear is filled with a whole bunch of bear parts, so that's definitely going to be heavier. So, as you can tell, I'm looking at one object and comparing it to another one. I need to make sure that I'm explaining my comparisons. I can't just say, oh, the bear is lighter than the bear. No, that's not going to work. I need to say exactly what I'm talking about. The toy bear is lighter than the real bear. That way you know what I'm comparing and which ones I'm talking about. Well, perfect. We did a fantastic job today. Our learning goal said, I can compare objects that are heavier than and lighter than one another. That's exactly what we did. And I have to say, you were really good at this, friend. All right, it's your turn. I want you to seesaw a video and let me know about these two items. Is this cup of soda lighter than or heavier than this 6-pack of soda? So I want you to make a video and let me know, is the cup of soda lighter than or heavier than the 6-pack of soda? Make sure you say a nice, good, full sentence so I know what you're talking about and how you're comparing them. All right, good luck, friend.